Has ARK Invest gone insane? Trust me guys, you want to see this update from ARK Invest on Tesla stock price and their predictions for 2025. What's up guys, and thank you back for tuning in, and let's jump right into the data. Quick recap for those who don't know who ARK Invest is. ARK Invest is a US-based research firm, and they predicted in 2019 already that Tesla stock price would hit $800 in 2020, split adjusted, which it did, and nobody believed them by the time. So that was pretty astonishing.
Associated with one stock in particular, and that is Tesla, because you made a lot of waves by attaching a $4,000 price target to the shares at one point.
Yes.
Last year, then they updated their target price to $1,400 per share in 2024. I mean, that sounds pretty reachable for the stock price since it hit $900 last year at a high, so that is not that far away from there. But the new stock price of $3,000 by 2025, this is a big statement. Okay, let's have a look at the report. So the expected value, so 50% of their thesis is $3,000 per share in 2025, and their bear case is 1,500, and their bull case $4,000. So let's put this in perspective. We have 4 years from now until 2025. That would be an annual compound rate of 46% every year on your money. There are not a lot of stocks that did this performance every year in the past. Okay, so let's have a look at the estimated values in the bull and the bear case example. So in 2020, Tesla sold almost 500,000 cars, and they expect in the bear case that Tesla will sell 5 million cars in 2025. So Tesla at the moment has 2 factories, that's Fremont and Shanghai, and there are 2 more factories built, that's Berlin and Texas. And I think the maximum capacity of all of these factories are like 1 million each. So there would be 4 million cars then that can be produced in the year of 2025. So the bear case already assumes that there will be an additional factory, and the bull case of 10 million cars in 2025 expects that there are 3 to 5 more factories that each then produce 1 million cars, or the others ramp up even more. What's also interesting is that the average selling price is predicted to go down. In the bull case is lower than in the bear case. I think this is just because Tesla wants to go more into the direction of a $25,000 car, and they expect in the bull case that if this car can be produced and sold, that they'd sell more cars, but the price will go down. And the revenue for the bear case is expected to be $234 billion in 2025. Let's put this in perspective of the Wall Street estimates. So here we see Wall Street estimates of the revenue for Tesla for every quarter in 2025. And if we add this together, we are roughly at like 200 billion for 2025. So that's actually not that far away from Wall Street estimates. However, the bull case is nearly doubled the amount. And why is that? I think that's mostly because of the autonomous ride-hail revenue that is not included in the bear case. So they think then this ride-hailing network will not be available yet in 2025 in the bear case. However, in the bull case, they think, yes, this will be about half of the revenue of Tesla in 2025. That's pretty ambitious, yes. And now they also included insurance revenue for the first time. I think that's not that important to talk about at the moment, since it's only available in California at the moment. Oh wow, look at this. They expect the gross margin to be 40%. I think Elon Musk said their target is to get to 30% gross margin by 2025. So they think it will be even above that in the bear case. However, in the bull case, it's lower. That's interesting too. And your market cap wise, we have then about 1 billion shares outstanding of Tesla. That would be then in the bear case, $1.5 trillion market cap, around a $2.9 trillion market cap, and in the bull case, a $4 trillion company. These numbers are just not like feasible at the moment. However, I think if you saw ARK's analysis in 2019 and looked at their numbers then, you also thought this is never going to happen, and it happened though. Okay, so the differentiation of bear and bull case is basically the autonomous platform, that in the bear case nobody will use the Tesla's autonomous platform. I don't know, maybe autonomy will not be a thing until 2025 then. In the bull case, however, over 60% will use Tesla's autonomous platform. And they even mentioned that in their bear case scenario, a human-driven ride-hail network could be implemented if autonomy is not functioning until then properly. And that could add another 20 billion to Tesla's revenue by 2025. However, I think they are pretty confident about autonomy because they updated their chance of delivering full autonomy in 5 years. Before they gave Tesla a 30% chance, and now they gave them a 50% chance by 2025 to implement full autonomy. So if we reach here at the bottom of the page, they expect robotaxi business to come alive and to generate around 40 to 50% of Tesla's market cap. And if we analyze their charts here, we see that they still think that the most revenue will come from electric vehicle. However, they believe that robotaxi will be nearly half of the market cap since it's probably more profitable. Oh, and what's also interesting, they didn't even include Tesla's utility energy storage business in their models, nor the recent purchase of Bitcoin in the models. So what do I personally believe about this report? So as a Tesla shareholder, as you guys know, I obviously hope that Tesla's share price will increase over the years and that Tesla will ramp up perfectly, that they will launch autonomy, that they will launch their robotaxi network. It still seems so far out, but having Tesla stand at $3,000 per share in 4 years, I don't know, guys. How do you feel about this? Let me know in the comments. I would love to discuss this with you. There's obviously a lot of hope baked into Tesla, but we already saw Elon Musk pull out so many aces out of his pockets. But this analysis seems to be even topping Elon Musk's own very ambitious goals. So let me know. I'm happy to discuss this with you. If you live in Germany or Austria and have not yet opened a brokerage account and you just want to start out by investing a small amount and you don't want to have a lot of fees, I can recommend you to check out Trade Republic. It's one of the brokers I use. It has very little fees compared to the other brokers here. And with the link in my description, you get 15 euros for free if you open an account with this link. And so by that, I hope you found this video insightful. I will leave the link to ARK Invest's report in the description and see you next time. Bye bye.